Hello students, in this module I am going to discuss new chapter Heron's formula. Heron's formula is used for finding the area of a triangle. Now what is triangle? A closed figure which is bounded by three line segments, that figure is known as a triangle. Now question is, how will you find out the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter means sum of all sides of a polygon is known as a perimeter of a polygon. In this figure, sum of length of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter of a triangle. Therefore, perimeter of this triangle will be A plus B plus C. Now, how you will find out the area of a triangle? Now, what is area? The internal shaded region of a triangle is known as area of a triangle. Now, finding the area of a triangle whose base and height is given, we all know area of a triangle equal to half into base into height. So, whenever base of a triangle is given, height of a triangle is given, then we will apply this formula for finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Now, if length of all three sides of a triangle is given, but no height is given, then we will apply Heron's formula for finding the area of this triangle. Heron's formula is used for all type of triangle whose length of sides are given. Area of triangle equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here S is a semi-perimeter of a triangle. S equal to perimeter means sum of length of three sides of a triangle. And when I divide it by 2, then it becomes a semi-perimeter of a triangle. Here A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. So whenever we have to find the area of a triangle whose length is given, first of all we have to find semi-perimeter. After finding semi-perimeter, we have to put the value of S, A, B, C in the square root, and by simplifying we will calculate area of a triangle. Now we will solve questions based on Heron's formula. Now question is, there is a slide in a park. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message. One of its wall painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. Now if the sides of the walls are given, which is 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, then we have to find the area painted in color. Here shaded wall is triangular in shape, and we know that if length of three sides of a triangle is given, then we will use Heron's formula. Here A equal to 15 meter it is given, B equal to 11 meter and C equal to 6 meter it is given. By using Heron's formula, we will find area of this shaded wall. Now area of colored wall or shaded wall equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now first of all we have to find S. S means semi-perimeter. We know the formula of S. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Now A is 15, B is 11 and C is 6. Divide by 2. Now calculate it. 32 by 2. Then S will equal to 16. Value of S equal to 16. Now put value of S, A, B, C in this square. Now we have to put value of S, A, B, C in this formula. Area of wall equal to under root S. S is 16. S minus A. 16 minus 11. 16 minus 15. A is 15. S minus B. 16 minus 11. S minus C. S is 16. C is 6. Now again simplify it. 16. 16 minus 15. We know that difference equal to 1. 16 minus 11 is 5. 16 minus 6 is 10. Now we have to reduce these numbers into lowest form by doing its prime factorization. 16. Do prime factors of 16. These are the prime factors of 16. Write 1 as it is and 5 as it is, and 10 prime factors of 10 is 2 into 5. Now prime factor of 16 is this, and write 1 as it is, 5 as it is, and prime factor of 10 is 2 into 5. Now in next step, we have to make pair of same number. Now to find its square root, we have to bring one number from each pair outside the square root. 2 into 2 into 5. And one number is left inside the square root. Now again multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 square root 2. Therefore, area of shaded wall equal to 20 square root 2 meter square. It is compulsory to write unit of area. If it is in meter, then write it meter square. Area of shaded wall is 20 square root 2 meter square. Now question is, the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7. Given is ratio of sides of triangle equal to 3:5:7, and its perimeter is 300 meter. Perimeter is 300 meter. Now find its area. Find the area of triangular plot. Area of triangular plot. Now what is given? ratio of sides of a triangle equal to 3:5:7. Let first side of this triangle, let first side of this triangle, first side of the triangle, which is A, equal to 3x. First side of a triangle is 3x. Now what will be second side? Second side of triangle, which is B, which is equal to 5x. And third side of a triangle, which is C, and it will equal to 7x. Now we have to find its area. But here second condition is given. If perimeter of a triangle equal to 300 meter, perimeter of triangle equal to 300 meter. And we know that what is perimeter? Sum of length of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter. Sum of length of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter. Then after solving it, you have to find the value of x. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15x equal to 300. X equal to 20. Now we have to put this value of x in ABC to find the measurement of ABC. Now find the value of ABC by putting the value of x in it. Therefore, A will be equal to 3 into 20 equal to 60. Value of A will be 60. Value of B will be 5 into 20, 100. And value of C will be 7 into 20 equal to 140. Now value of A equal to 60 meter and B equal to 100 meter and C equal to 140 meter. Now we have to find area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Area of triangle equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We know that S equal to semi-perimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A is 60, B is 100 and C is 140 divided by 2. Now add these numbers. It is equal, sum will equal to 300 divided by 2. Then semi-perimeter will equal to 150 meter. In next step, we have to put the value of S, A, B, C in Heron's formula. S is 150. 150 minus A. A is 60. 150 minus B. B is 100. 150 minus C. C is 140. Again write it. 150 minus 60. It will be equal to 90. 150 minus 100. Difference will equal to 50. 150 minus 140, then difference will equal to 10. Now in next step, we have to reduce these numbers in lowest form by doing its prime factors. Now prime factor of 150. prime factor of 150 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we have to find prime factor of 90. These are the prime factor of 150. Now find prime factor of 90. Now prime factor of 90, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find the prime factor of 50. Prime factor of 50 are 2 into 5 into 5. Now in next step we have to find prime factor of 10, and we know that 2 into 5 equal to 10. Now we have to make the pair of same number and bring out one number from these pairs. 2. Now make the next pair 3 into 3 and make the next pair, and what we left, again make the pair. There is no partner of 3. Now next make the pair, and next pair is 5 into 5, and next one is, now we have to bring out one number from each pair. Now what will left inside the square root? 3 will left. Now multiply these numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 32 ja 60, 60 25 ja 1500 square root 3. And unit is meter square. Therefore, area of triangle equal to 1500 root 3 meter square. It is compulsory to write unit in our answer. We know that unit of area is square meter.